Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the inside question answers from chapter 1 class 6 geography book CBSE board, the earth and the solar system. In the previous video I gave you the exercise question answers. If you missed, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find that video from there. So let's start the inside question answers from chapter 1 the earth and the solar system class 6 CBSE board. Number 1. What are celestial bodies? Give examples. All objects which we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. The heavenly bodies include the stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets and meteors. Our Earth is also a heavenly body. Number 2. What does the word universe stand for? The word universe stands for everything that exists in space. Number 3. How and when was the universe originated? Universe probably originated about 2000 crore years ago due to the Big Bang. Number 4. Short note on universe. The first point, the universe has countless number of galaxies. Second point, our sun and all the stars that we see in this night sky belong to a galaxy. Third point, it is the Milky Way or the Akash Ganga. Last point, the galaxy has about 10,000 crore stars. Number 5. What is light year? A light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Number 6. What is the speed of light? The speed of light is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Number 7. How much distance does light travels in 1 year? Light travels a distance of about 9 lakhs 50,000 crore kilometer in 1 year. Number 8. What is the measurement unit of light? The measurement unit of light is called the light year. Number 9. What do the stars twinkle at night? The stars are huge bodies made up of very hot gases. They have their own heat and light. Therefore, they twinkle at night. Number 10. Why do the stars look very small? They look very small as they are very far away from us. Number 11. What is nebula? When can it be visible? The stars are formed from the clouds of gas and dust in space, which is called nebula. It can be visible if there are stars in or near it. Number 12. Why does the sun look big to us? The sun looks big as it is close to the earth. Number 13. How many stars can we see at night? We can see about 6,000 stars in the sky at night. Number 14. Which is the nearest star to the earth apart from the sun? How much light year away it is? It is. The nearest star to the earth apart from the sun is Proxima Centauri. It is more than 4.24 light years away. Number 15. What is solar system? What does it consist of? The family of the sun is known as the solar system. It consists of the sun, 8 planets, about 100 known satellites like the moon and the asteroids, meteors and comets. Number 16. How much distance away is solar system from the center of Milky Way? The solar system is about 27,000 light year away from the center of the Milky Way. Number 17. What is the age of the solar system and how much is it wide? The solar system is about 470 crore years old and is about 1,200 crore kilometer wide. Number 18. Which is the largest member of solar system and where is it located? The sun is the largest member of solar system and is located as its center. Number 19. What is the comparison between the diameter of the sun and the earth? The diameter of the sun is about 109 times greater than the diameter of the earth. Number 20. Which is the main source of heat and light? The sun is the main source of heat and light. Number 21. Why is the sun worshipped as a god? The sun is the main source of heat and light for all forms of life on the earth. That is why ancient people always worship the sun as a god. Number 22. What is the distance between the sun and the earth? The sun is at an average distance for about 15 crore kilometers from the earth. Number 23. What is photosphere? The brilliant disk of sun that is seen from the earth is called the photosphere. Number 24, what is the temperature at the surface and at the center of the sun? The temperature at the surface of the sun is 6000 degrees centigrade, and at the center of the sun is 1 crore 50,000 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees centigrade. Number 25, how much time does the light of the sun take to travel to reach the surface of the earth? The light of the sun traveling at a speed of 3 lakhs km per second takes about 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach the surface of the earth. Number 26, which keeps all the members of the solar system together? The gravitational pull of the sun keeps all the members of the solar system together. Number 27, how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Number 28, name the planets according to their decreasing size. This answer has already given in the exercise question answers. Just watch it there. Number 29, how many types of planets are there? There are 2 types of planets: inner planets and outer planets. If you didn't watch this video, then take a screenshot of this answer. Okay, number 28, just take a screenshot. Number 33, what are inner planets? Name them. The planets which are close to the sun and are made up of rocks, thus they are called inner planets or terrestrial planets, means the earth-like planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as inner planet. Number 31, what are outer planets? Name them. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Why are the outer planets known as gas giant? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called gas giants as they are made up of gases. 32, write the features of planets. The planets are heavenly bodies. They do not have their own heat and light. They shine as they reflect the light of the sun. All the planets are spherical in shape. They revolve around the sun in elliptical paths called orbit. They move around the sun from west to east. While revolving around the sun, the planets also rotate on their axis. Each planet takes a different time to complete one revolution around the sun and one rotation on its axis. Number 33, which planet is not named after a mythological deity? The Earth is the only planet in the solar system which is not named after a mythological deity. Number 34, what did people think about the shape of the earth in ancient times? In ancient times, people thought that the earth was flat in shape. 35, who did declare that the earth is spherical in shape? Aristotle, and then Copernicus declared that the earth is spherical in shape. Number 36, what is the shape of the earth? The earth is not perfect sphere. Due to the rotation of the earth, it is slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. Its equatorial diameter is about 44 km, more than its polar diameter. Number 37, which planet is named after the messenger of Roman gods? Mercury. Number 38, which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. 39, what is the temperature of Mercury? The temperature of day is about 400 degrees centigrade and the night temperature is about minus 170 degrees centigrade. Number 40, how many moon does Mercury have? No moon. Number 41, which planet is named after the Roman god of love and beauty? That is Venus. 42, which is the second planet from the sun? Venus. Number 43, why is Venus known as Earth's twin? Venus is almost the same size as the Earth, so it is known as Earth's twin. Number 44, when is Venus visible? Venus is visible after sunset on before sunrise. Number 45, why is Venus known as the evening star or morning star? Venus is visible after sunset, so it is known as evening star. Sometimes it is also visible before sunrise, so it is also known as morning star. 46, these are all word answer. Which planet is named after the Roman god of war? Mars. 47. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. 48. How many moons does the Mars have? 2 moons. Number 48. Sorry, it should be 49 and then it should be 50. Okay. Which planet is named after the ruler of the Roman gods? Jupiter. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. How many moons does Jupiter have? 95 known moons. Why Jupiter is known as a mini solar system? Jupiter has 95 known moons, is often described by National Astronautics and Space Administration NASA as a mini solar system. From this question you get the full form of NASA. Okay, if there is a question that what is the full form of NASA, you can write the answer from here. Okay. Number 52. Which planet is named after Jupiter's father in Roman mythology? Saturn. Number 53. Which is the most beautiful planet in the solar system? Why is it to be said? Saturn is the most beautiful planet in the solar system. It has bright rings made of icy particles around its equator. How many moons does Saturn have? According to NASA, Saturn has 146 moons. Which planet is named after the Greek god of the sky? Uranus. When did Uranus discover and by whom? Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Next, which planet is named after the Roman god of the sea? Neptune. Which planet is similar to Uranus in size and structure? Neptune. Which two planets are called the twin giant? Uranus and Neptune. How many moons does Neptune have? 14 moons. What does the word satellite mean? The word satellite means an attendant or a companion, which was the only known satellite until 1610, the moon. How many known satellites are there today? More than 100. Which two planets do not have any satellites? Mercury and Venus. From where do satellites get their light? The satellites do not have their own light. They reflect the light from the sun. 66 is the fill in the blanks. The satellite move around the planets from west to east. Short note on moon. The moon is the heavenly body which is closest to the earth. The average distance of the moon from the earth is about 3,84,400 km. Its diameter is about 3,480 km. No life can exist on the moon due to the absence of atmosphere and moisture. There is no sound as there is no air to carry the sound waves. The moon rotates on its axis and revolves around the earth from west to east. The time taken by the moon to complete one rotation and one revolution is the same. Thus, we always see the same phase of the moon. The days on the moon are very hot, 120 degrees centigrade, and night are very cold, minus 120 degrees centigrade. Name two American astronauts who landed on the moon. When did they land on the moon? Two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, landed on the moon on 21st July 1969. What are asteroids? Write the other name of asteroids. Asteroids are rocky celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. They are also called planetoids or minor planets. What are the features of asteroids? Each asteroid follows its own orbit around the sun. The main belt, which has billions of asteroids, lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So this point is for the fill in the blanks, okay, from this chapter. So you just read this line very carefully, because this will be the fill in the blanks, okay. The belt stretches from about 250 million to 600 million kilometers from the sun. It is now widely believed that asteroids are broken pieces of some planet which probably exploded soon after its birth. What are meteors? What is the other name of meteors? A meteoroid is a solid piece of debris from asteroid or comets that revolves around the sun. It is also called a shooting star. Describe the feature of meteors. Meteors are small pieces of rocks revolving around the sun. The presence of meteors in the sky is known only when they enter the Earth's atmosphere, most of them burn up and become gases. Some of them are big and thus are not burnt up completely when they hit. When they hit the surface of the Earth, they are called meteorites. A well-known site in the meteor crater in Arizona State in USA. Okay, number 73. What are meteorites? When meteors hit the surface of the Earth, they are called meteorites. 74. Which was the ninth planet in the solar system? When was it discovered? Pluto was the ninth planet in the solar system. It was discovered in 1930. 75. Name the organization which reclassified Pluto. The International Astronomical Union. 76. What is the new definition of a planet? A planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the sun, has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid right body forces so that it assumes a nearly round shape and has cleared the neighborhood around its object. Number 77. On which ground was Pluto disqualified? Pluto is disqualified as its oblong orbit overlaps Neptune's. Okay, number 78. What is the new status of Pluto? At present, Pluto is known as dwarf planet. So these are the insight question answers from chapter 1, the Earth and the Solar System, class 6 Geography, CBSE board. Okay, so that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.